Hi, this is Wendy, your Pampered Chef Consultant. I just wanted to pop in and show you what you get free with an $80 purchase in the month of March. So you get these great flexible cutting boards. You can see that they bend. So after you cut, you just fold it and you can put your vegetables or whatever you've cut into your recipe. They have a sticky back so that they don't slide around on the counter. They have measurements in inches and in centimeters. So those are really cool and handy. Again, free with any $80 purchase. And then I have one of our new items that I just got. I'm so excited. You can see it's not even out of the package. The donut hole maker or cake pop maker. I am so super excited. It's got the nice Tiffany blue on the back. I cannot wait to make some donut holes. I got donut mix. Recently, I made donuts from scratch. It was a lot of work, so I'm super excited about the donut mix. Go ahead and send me a message in the chat if there's something you'd like to know more about, a product you'd like to see demoed. I might even post a video of me making donuts in the near future. Have a wonderful week.